How amazing do you feel? You made it to the end of week 4, session 5, and we don't have a full week left of the month, but we do have one more session to finish off our final Monday. So please join me today as we lie down onto our backs for your 5th Dawn Patrol session this week. As we lay down together, you're going to pull both of your knees into your chest and you're going to rock on your low back from left to right side. So massage your lumbar spine. Good. Left side, right side. From here, exhale, gently place your feet down. Bridge pose, which we've introduced before. I think it was week 3. Raise your hips up high, palms up, hold 3. Lift a little bit more, 2, and then exhale, melt down super slow. Good. Inhale again, bring your hips up high. And then on your exhale, you're going to pull one knee towards your chest for balance. And then if you can, maybe extend your leg up, 3. Hold single leg balance, 2. Now you're going to cross your ankle over your thigh. Exhale, lower your hips. Place your hand on the bent knee, press the knee away from you. Good. Feel that space on the outside of your left hip. Now watch. I'm going to heel toe my right foot over to the right, and then I'm going to let my left knee fall to the left as my left ankle pulls my right thigh down, getting that really nice stretch through my right thigh and hip flexor. Raise both arms up over your head for a big stretch for me. Good. Really breathe into your ribs. Feel your breath here. Exhale, slowly bring the arms back. Bring the knees back to neutral. And now you're going to pull your right knee towards your chest for Supine Figure 4, also known as Supine Pigeon. So dragging that left foot a little closer to you by pulling on the right thigh for 3, 2, good. Now back to where we started, right foot is flat. Keep your ankle crossed, we still have it there. We're going to lift our hips back up, palms are down. Inhale, knee to neutral. Exhale, foot to sky. Put your left foot down, lift your hips higher, lift, 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 good. And then slowly lower. Again, inhale, raise your hips up, bridge, hold. Good. Now pick up your right foot, bring your knee in, pause. Cross your ankle over your thigh, pause. Exhale, lower your hips. Right hand to right thigh, gently press the hip open. You may or may not feel a lot there, but you might feel a little room in the front of the hip flexor outside of the hip. Now on your exhale, you're going to heel toe your left foot to the left. You're going to keep your right ankle on top of your thigh. You're going to pull it down and you should feel the pull on the top of your left thigh there. Good. Stretch both arms up and over your head. Big inhales for me. Nice breath, big exhale out as you feel that pull and stretch right through the top of your thigh. 3, 2, good. Exhale, bring your hands back in line. Bring your body back to neutral. Beautiful. Exhale, we're still crossed. Now we pull the left knee into the chest for Supine Figure 4. So this is a nice little routine for you. We went through bridge, single leg bridge, cross the ankle over the thigh, which is how we got here, and then we move through a few twists and stretches for the hips. Let's bring it back to how we started. Exhale, ground left foot. Here we go, hips up, hold it. Right knee to neutral, hold. Bring the foot flat. Raise your hips a little bit more, lift, 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 lift. And then exhale, slowly lower down. Good. Go ahead and raise your left leg up for me, straight into the air. Point and flex your toe. Point, flex. Good. Keep the foot in flexion, dorsal flexion, so toes pulling back towards shin. Palms flat, lift up high. Good. Start to firm the right glute. Just a very tiny bit of work so you can feel the legs here for 3, 2, exhale, lower the hips, and then lower your left foot. Bridge again, 1, 2, 3, hips come up. Good, firm the glutes. Right knee comes in, hold. And then the right leg rises, hold. Point and flex, hold that there. Good. 3, start to firm through that left glute, lift higher. 2, you can do this. Good. Exhale, lower all the way down. Right foot. Now heel toe your feet apart. You're going to windshield wiper your knees to the right and then to the left. Ooh, big hip pop there to the right and then to the left. Good. Exhale, pull your knees towards your chest and then gently rock up to seated. One big rock. Good. Paschimottanasana, which is your seated forward fold. It's a yoga term, so just again, inviting you into the practice by sharing the Sanskrit. Place your fingertips behind you, sit up straight. Good. You might need a wall behind you or a pillow under your butt. Raise your arms up for me. Exhale, reach forward and down. Forward fold here, stretch. Now, some of us might be here, and that's totally fine. Just honor the place you're at with your body. Or if you can go deeper into the pose, I invite you to go there. You want to feel your chest drape over your legs. Maybe you have gained a little bit of flexibility from moving with me, day 20 today. And maybe you even took the weekends to do a full yoga practice on my YouTube channel or some other kind of movement on your own. Good. One more big exhale as you fold, and then I want you to very slowly bring the spine all the way up to neutral. Relax. Good. Cross your ankles. Press up to stand with your legs crossed, and then uncross once you get there. And if that's impossible, that's okay. Nice work, guys. Hands at heart. Namaste. Thank you for that quick sequence on your back into your seated forward fold. I hope you have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you for our final Monday of the month next week. Thanks, guys.